Rob Holland has been flying nearly 30 years. And it's 16,000 hours of flight time and over 170 different kinds of aircraft. His favorite flight choice is what we see today, the MXS RH, one of the highest performing aerobatic hot rods anywhere in the world. Day in and day out to become a perfection at his craft as he continues to tear it up in the MXS RH. To the right end of our aerobatic box, let's watch now as Rob moves forward on the stick and climbs up to altitude. Even at remarkably slow airspeeds, Rob's aircraft, the MXS, is very maneuverable. We're going to watch him now. Rob's going to extend down to the right. And make a masterpiece. The MXS is 1,200 pounds, nearly 400 horsepower, allows it to perform maneuvers just like this one. Now an authorized dealer for MXS right now. Check out Rob grab your official Fly Good Don't Suck merch. The official brand of Rob Holland is FlyGoodMerch.com.
Better CFI now.
The giant heart in the sky dedicated to all of those who have served our great country. Rob, that look. The Holland original that he likes to call the Inside Tumble. Rob is a champion at competition events on both the national and world level, and as you watch him fly, he is all about precision and skill. Rob Holland again wants me to recognize his champion for Oshkosh, AGL Aviation, Sling Pilot Academy, Full Stop Aviation,